In this video, I show how to evaluate a multivariable function and also how to find its partial derivatives with respect to each variable. So first, how do we evaluate the function? Basically, we interpret the definition of a function as a rule that tells us how to produce the output for given x and y. So that means I replace x with number 2 in the definition and y with number 6. And after that, I just compute this arithmetic expression. So we have 4 times 24 minus 6 over 6. So it is 96 minus 1, which is 95. Now, how do we find the partial derivatives of a function with respect to a variable? If I want to find the derivative of this function with respect to x, a partial derivative with respect to x, it means I have to treat the other variable as a constant. So for example here, if I'm differentiating this with respect to x, y is now treated just like you would treat a number. So derivative of 4x squared y is then will be 4y, because this is just a constant in front of x squared, times 2x minus 3 over y, that's a constant in front of x, times derivative of x, which is 1. So this is a partial derivative with respect to x. Simplifying it, we get 8xy minus 3y. Now, finding the partial derivative with respect to y means now we'll treat x as a constant. So that means derivative of 4x squared y is now 4x squared, because it's a constant in front of y, times derivative of y, which is 1, minus 3x, that's a constant in front of 1 over y, times derivative of 1 over y, which is negative y to the negative 2. So simplifying this will give us the following expression. So this is the partial derivative of a given function with respect to y.